Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Today I am going to talk about 28 type of punishment which are mentioned in Garud Puran. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Garud Puran. This is Garud Puran and this is the most authentic source and this is the best translation version of Garud Puran in English. And I would have to say we all have to read Garud Puran throughout life because we can learn many things from Garud Puran. Likewise, we can learn how to do administration, how to execute all the administrative activities, and we can learn about the concept of the politics, many disorders like means general disorder like jaundice, hepatitis, and also fever. Many disorders treatments are also given in Garud Puran, and many things we can learn. We can mold our character. We can also enrich the moral values in our character, in our life from the basis of Garud Puran. So we all have to read Garud Puran throughout life, and we have to implement each and every verse of Garud Puran in our daily life. So let's start. The punishment name is Vajra Kantak Sali. The Vajra Kantak Sali. Kantak means thorn. The pierce, the very sharp needles pierce into the body of the particular sinner. So this punishment, this narka is punishment for sinner who have unnatural intercourse. Unnatural intercourse. The particular person who is actually licking the private part of the particular person, like the woman who is licking private part of the particular man, and man is licking the private part of the particular woman. So this all things is unnatural sex, even the sex from the behind side, and many things are there. So if the unnatural sex, the sex like an animal, intercourse with an animal, so behave like an animal, the sex like animal, so this punishment is given to this particular woman or man who have committed this kind of unnatural sex. So in this particular punishment, the made to embrace iron, the iron rod would be there, and the sharp diamond needle विच पियर्स थ्रू देयर बॉडी, विच पियर्स उनको मतलब बॉडी में चुबाया जाता है, जो एक शार्प निडल होती है उनके बॉडी में चुबाया जाता है. जो व्यक्ति अननेचुरल सेक्स करते हैं, जो अपना मतलब जो प्राइवेट पार्ट है उसको चाटता है, जो भी वॉट एवर इट वुड बी, आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू से, बट जो व्यक्ति प्राइवेट पार्ट को मतलब माउथ से वो क्रिया करते हैं या मतलब मुंह से क्रिया करते हैं जो वुमन के साथ या मैन के साथ, तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को इस प्रकार की पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. उनके शरीर में एक सुई चुभाई जाती है और हर एक पार्ट में सुई चुभाई जाती है, सुई चुभाई जाती है, शार्प निडल चुभाया जाता है ताकि उनके बॉडी में से उनके प्राण निकल जाए. उसके बाद उनको नया बॉडी दिया जाता है, उसके बाद फिर से प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है जब तक उनका टाइम का एंड नहीं होता है. So this punishment is given to this kind of particular person who is involved in the particular unnatural sexual activities और brutal activities like निर्भया कांड में हुआ था. ऐसा हर एक जगह पे होता है. we would see, but उनको लग रहा है कि फांसी की punishment यहीं पे मिल गई, but you will have to get a punishment in a hell. So Yamdut are waiting for your soul and your soul will be punished. So get ready for that who have done unnatural sex or this kind of brutal activities. So this punishment name is Salmali, and Salmali punishment is mentioned in Garud Puran. The moral of the story is nobody has to involve in the unnatural sex like an animal. So this is what I would have to say, and I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.